Recording. We are here in Mactan, Newtown. We're on our way to J Park, but nihapit me para mag-dinner here sa Mactan, Newtown. Kasi mo nagsugbo merks dire. This is the first time I'm using the Osmo Pocket. Ivory, say hi. Say hi. Hi to the camera.
It's buy one, take one. I have your one. So, we're going back because they ordered food.
Okay, there's a band here, guys. They're still setting up. Total, but yun na. New gadget. Hi, ma.
So like this.
And malita pa niya.
Say hi!
Sa camera.
Why?
So, na namin i-try, ha? So, may siya outfit na. This is from Ukay. This is from Gaetano. And Ukay.
This one's from Korea. It's made from Korea. So I don't know where we bought it. The first is from Birkenstock. Then my phone, 14. Hi, Kuya.
Do you want to go to J Park right away? Sa din yung kita malit. Good morning. What is your breakfast? Carbonara and bread, toasted bread with fruits. Here are the folks.
I want sleepy.
Pili man na siya na nice swimming.
7 years na po.
Alright.
Watakimasu.
Anong ganan?
Asan ko? Yan. Brief ra ko.
Ano na siya? Uy, mag-brief na siya. Warning. Naday, warning lifeguard. Bench body na
Ako na lang. Hi everyone, good morning. We're actually at J Park. We arrived last night, mga 8 something. But diretso na tanan, settled in. I was just not able to take a video. But today, we're actually going to swim. Nag-prepare na ang mga girls here sa kilid. Kupod, may ilis na pod ko. We actually have the family room. We have 2 rooms. Na din yung usa ka bedroom. So nasa 2 single beds each room. So here, and the other one is here with bathroom each room. So napoy bar diri, and we also have a TV here. It's a bright sunny day, nila siya is swimming, and then wala siya, we just ate breakfast earlier. Most of the people is already at the pool. They're already swimming, the kids. Wala siya, paabot pa sa ladies here, and also I'm testing the DJI Osmo. So I'm testing the wide angle lens right now and the mic. So pasikati lang jud ko. Ninot na quality atong video. Here's Adishanti. Yeah. Ay, good luck ni mo diyan. May kay kag di kay likas yung mama niya. Klaro gyapon ka sa vlog. Oh, nakadiha. Na may wide lens. Oh. Ana, tuyoon jud ba? Napa siya yung living area here with the TV. Mara na siya. Napa siya balcony outside. Makita nimo ang view. That's it. We are on our way to the pool area na. Okay, we're going to swim with the girls here. Say hi everyone. Hi. This is my outfit. Here. Na ground floor? Are we ground?
Ground then.
Okay. It's really hot. The sun is out. On our way. Woo. It's a bright sunny day today. We're heading out to the kiddie pool. Okay, I'm really satisfied na sa DJI Osmo Pocket kaya it's giving me the best quality June HD. This is 1080 with 30 FPS right now. I've tried the 4K resolution with 60 FPS, but storage left would be 2 hours, so I'd rather have the 1080 quality kaya it gives me 6 hours of storage. Still, it's giving. Oh my god, that is a nice color. Say hi!
Say hi! Hi, Mia!
Hi everyone!
Hi! Say hi to Ate. Say hi! Hi!
Hi! Or don't you know na kababata dahil ko ni siya, si
Krisha.
asa man na imong name gikan be? Interview ta. Where is your name coming from?
Ingon si Mami.
What originates your name?
KRI is from Chris Aquina and SHA comes from Sharon.
Hala, oy.
Daw.
Klaro, di kayo
I don't
ka na.
know.
Actually, what yung memory na nakaduwa mi, but yeah, we're childhood friends. Napa dyan may core memories, which is ang pabo.
Ang pabo. Ang pabo sa likod
Ang
nila.
pabog ang swing ni Lolo.
Yes.
Mga na siya. Mag-slide.
Later.
Slide ka ba? Ay, alam dyan tong red.
Ay.
Never ang red na slide.
Ganun-
By the way, I bought this bag sa Siargao pa din eh. Okay, so we're still walking. Ano dyan ang giant slide here sa J Park? That one. Makaya naman dyan na ako ang ubang slides diri no, but except for the red and white one, kay murag mo tuyo pamugod ka. Then ano na yung ka i-drop, so I don't like how it works. So ato na ta sa murag diretso ra ang hulog no, kay di ko ng mga pabibo sa ilahang red and white na slide. We're here at the beach area. So nice. Nice yung kayo ang beach, guys. Alright. So we're about to swim in a few minutes. Hi! We are on our way back to the room because init na, it's udto na kay murag sakit na kay spanit ng kainit. So dire ko skillet mga daginot taog kalandong. We are here at the pool area na. Ano siya ang food? Lechon manok. Puso. Biko. Osmo. Say suha ate. Yeah. Nata outside the balcony and daghang kay tao, in fairness lang. We're going swimming.
What na gini mo?
Hey guys, we're going swimming. We're going to get towel. They're going to ride a jet ski. Shimoy and Brent. Pakita Shimoy! Pakita Shimoy! That mani lang sakyan. Black. That one. Black. The black one. 2K ang 20 minutes. Sure. Okay. Ka-exciting ani kay. Hoy tapa. Wait lang, nailan ko na dito. Tanawan lagi buhat sa ko ah. Napuno na ko og towel. So, sige, support. Okay. Asa naman to sila? Hala! Siboy! Ay! Dungan mo tulo? Ah, okay. Abi na kung tasag tagsaon mong duha. Okay, so nagpahimutang pa sila sa jet ski. So they're still waiting. Bye! Whee! Open mo ay! Ala! Ala! Okay, so layo na kayo sila. So, hindi na taka-video. Balik kita dito sa waiting area. Hi! Annyeong! Okay, so mo to siya. Mag-waiting na lang ta. And yeah, chill. Man akong ligo. So, manghinaw na ng gurong ko in a few. While waiting, ano sa ta? Magtama-tama sa ta. Hi everyone, good evening. Kung na may ligo og pool, karon nakailis na ko. Mga on may in a few. And I fire dancing sa my pool area. Mga 7 p.m. daw. BLK. Wait. So, mga namin na ang food. Courtesy of Ate Rose. Dala siya food. Hi!
We're done swimming.
Yeah, masula ka.
It's raining outside.
By the way, nag-una ako para ako'y kailog sa CR. So, mo na ang rason na naka-prepare na ako while sila wala pa. Lip tint rin eh.
1 hour, 2 hours, hindi siya na exam.
Okay. Siomay. Tesa. Hello. Kilat eh.
to the elephant.
Good morning everyone. It's a bright and sunny day here at J Park. We're heading for breakfast. So, sakit ang likod ko. Parang sleep. I was sleeping on the floor, not in the bed. My camera is a little bit foggy. Kaya grabe katugnaw. Here we are sa buffet so that we can have breakfast. Hi everyone, so we're now here at the beach. Chill na lang. Okay, and checkout is at 11. 11 ba? Ano di man 12? Di ba standard 12? 12 ang checkout pero 11 dapat andam na tanan. And sunbathing na naman diri with my
Waiting under the shade.
sunbathing with a shade, with a bit of shade. Itawan, naligo na sila dito tanan. Mana, chill na lang. Okay, we'll be checking out soon. The weather is good today and ang breakfast gani na nice na po da. Ingon si Brent na pinaka-plain daw kaya ko ang napili na food kay sunny side up. Plain rice, bacon. Mara jud, plain. Wala jud ko anang mga Japanese na mga kuan.
Nag-1 round ra ka.
One round ako then na taud-taud kay
Sa buffet.
nagputo si Kwati dayon ko after with the pineapple. Ano?
It's supposed to be black. It's cacao.
It's cacao. All fairness, ang weather karon kay nindot siya. Yesterday was a bit kanang 50-50 kay half of the day is init then ning kuan siya. Rain siya mga afternoon. Sila dito ang Dapita. There. And then yeah, it's very nice here ang location. Masaya kay nag Wattpad or saan siya mga
My novel.
novel, reading novel. Itong tag-lotion. Okay, enjoy niya eh. Dungog kay nako yang wow.
Wow. Tagak ba eh?
Ha? Ano jud ba?
Wow.
I'm going back to the room na kay I will prepare. It's almost 11. Wala na ako naligo kay murag ikapoy bitaw ko. Like the whole process of maghinaw-naw, musaka pa ka, then basa ka. Kapoy bitaw siya naon lang. So, man siya, nagpainit ra ko, enjoying the beach, the sun, nang kainit ba. Marag okay naman food ko, satisfied na ko, manang balik na lang ko para makaandam na ko sa mga things. Napabilin pa ang mga girls dito, kay mag-pool pa sila. So, that's why, mag-una na lang ta, kay marag alimuot na pod, init na pod kaayo. Gana ko bugnaw na room, bugnaw na hangin, then maybe eat, kay napa may mga food hinoon dito. Magsima-sima sa tao food while waiting sa checkout. Okay? Bye! Muna ko nag-record. Okay, we're on our way home na. Come hapit po. Coffee.
Ko na sumunod ka. Halos may korto niya.
Tunga man ka.
Ako pitaka ng mami.
Gcash. Oh, what you can excuse?
Agabi ang mag-Gcash ko na akong buwan ako yung kwarta dito.
Mami, pero once may money mo, mag-join man ang uban. Gcash na lang.
Mujoin mag-gina sila. Kaya mahimog man na sila mawata.
Coffee na na siya. Coffee na na siya.
Pero sa walay na nun.
Saan na lang ko? Final destination.
Manata na.
Final destination is now showing. Pwede po balik na to dayon. I've heard great reviews sa movie. It's bloody and gory daw.
Ha?
So,
Huwag manguli. Ato na.
I'm
Tas balay
excited
nila
to
lolo
watch.
siguro.
Ako yung Duncan nila diri. Here. Hindi maklaro. No, it's not gonna show.
Ano pa day sila plano na eh?
Tomorrow's going to be Kuya Shimoy's graduation. So, mga lakaw na po may ugma. Don't know where. Tomorrow na po. Bye. Peace out.
You done?
Yeah. Thank you. Ay, 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 ay.
Cinema 1 ha?
We are here in SM Consolacion because it's the showing of Final Destination. We're about to watch it. The schedule is 2:45 p.m. So, hapit na. Paabot na namin nilang Brent sa food and snacks. Na may free water along with the tickets. So, yeah, we're all set.
60 pesos.
60 pesos ang discount. Lumaya rin din. Hello, good afternoon. It's the day of Shem's graduation, but unfortunately, I'm sick right now and I won't be able to attend the ceremony and the gathering. But Shimoy, if you're watching, congrats. Mag-college na jud ka and Lolo or your Papa will be so proud. Last Friday, we went out with my cousins and we went to a store which is UA. That's the first time I've heard about it. And when I asked the cashier, they started last 2019 pa di ay, so it's been a while. And this is the first time I've heard about this store. Dili mo jud ta siya ako ang tuyo. Itong time is for my cousins. So they bought t-shirts, some shorts, and I found this sleeveless. Really fitted me perfectly because I fitted it there. I look nice on it. They even said that it looks good on me, so I bought it. It's only 800 pesos something. So here it is. So this is our first haul. This is the UA sleeveless shirt. So, napay resibo. So, this is 899 pesos. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Here it is. So, you can really tell that it's on the best quality. Kaya sa ilang plastic. Already has the washing instructions on how to really maintain the good quality of it when you wash the clothes. Has to be cold machine wash. Do not iron on print or embellishments. Do not dry clean. Do not tumble dry. Drip dry in shade. Do not bleach. So meaning, this has to be well taken care of. Para ang quality niya is ma-maintain na to for the long time. And once mapauga mo, it has to be on a shade. You have to avoid direct sunlight, no? So dapat patuloon na siya. Air dry rin mo siya sa somewhere na doesn't have direct sunlight. Sip on. Not feeling well. Here it is. Tank top or sleeveless? I don't know. But I tried it and it looks good. So I will definitely wear it soon. Actually, it has the logo. Ito pa may Watsons. Good thing kaya ang sa Watsons kay na buy one take one na promo, no? So I bought lotion. Here's the Watson. This is their next haul. Pag ato na mag-Watson sa SM Constellation, they are actually on a buy one take one promo. Here's a first. So here's what I bought. Retinol plus Glutas. It's Lux Organic. I bought 2 lotions. I mean, technically it's one. Kaya buy one take one man. So yeah. I actually selected 2 different kind of lotion. One is niacinamide plus arbutin, and the other one is retinol plus gluta, youthful radiance. When we went to the beach just recently, I brought the retinol plus gluta, youthful radiance. So I just want to be like youthful looking skin on the beach. Para po niyo natanaw na tong panit, no? So it's lightening, firming, and hydrating, which is good when you go out in the sun. After that, once mamata sa to ang beach trip, mag-lock up na punta sa to ang kwarto kay I'm working from home. I'm always in my room, so let's make use of the time to use the niacinamide and arbutin whitening serum lotion. It's lightening, brightening, and soothing. Yeah, this is good for me to use every night when I go to sleep. It actually smells good, which is so nice. So here they have lots of options naman. That's it for our haul. And right now, while resting, we had a coffee machine downstairs with the syrup and the milk, so I took time to really make one while watching my favorite show, which is the US Survivor. I've heard of US Survivor before, but I was not really able to watch it before. It's just recently. US Survivor is not the first Survivor franchise that I've watched. Technically, I watched the Australian version of it, and I found it very entertaining. It's a reality show. It's a really fun show. The first Survivor franchise that I've watched is the Australian version of it, and I found it really entertaining. Okay, there are 20 castaways in an island competing to be the only sole survivor. For them to get the food, they had to go to reward challenges, physical, mentally, and endurance. So it's really fun. I finished all of the seasons for the Australian version, and I've heard lots of good episodes as well for the US version of it, which is the one that started it all. So I started to watch everything, and I found it really entertaining as well. I've actually found a Reddit page in which it gives you on how you watch the US Survivor seasons by ranking. I'm following that right now. I'm in Survivor Tocantins. I'm still in episode 2, and there's still a lot of seasons to watch, so I'm seated. That's actually how I spend my day. As you have noticed, kalat kaya ko ang kwarto. I already said this before. I had a plan to renovate my room very soon. This is how unfiltered I am. I'm showing you my room, which is really kalat kaayo. So sorry if you expected a lot na limpyo akong kwarto, but no, it's not. This is the situation. This is the whole situation in my room. And sagdi lang, mausap na soon, malimpyo na soon. Patience na dyan, no? Patience is a virtue, mabarutaan na panahon na. Kaya right now, di ko ka-room tour, kaya murag uwaw, bitaw siya ipakita tanan. At least kari murag slight lang siya nyo nakita na kalat, but if you see the whole room, kalat siya kayo. That's it for now.
Halang dyan siya ba siya, Char? Halang dyan ka siya.
Ang manok?
Like, Char, halang dyan kayo siyang manuka. Like, wala dyan siya patawad. But, ang kinhaso na sabaw. Bye. Hi, good afternoon. It's already May 22, 3 p.m. Ligo. Wala ra kitay ganap. Ang ganap na nato like usara ka buok, which is ihatod si Auntie Jonah later sa Mactan International Airport at 9 p.m. Balik na siya to US. Karon nga man ta og mangga. Tuyugi ko ninyo na mangwa og mangga. So, let's go. So that will be our mango tree. We have a small terrace here. Tumuhaton is sa karata. We have a small staircase here. Then muna na. Makabutan nato dayon ang mangga. We're upstairs na. And then here is the tree. And I see the mangoes here. Kare-dere. So, kwaon na nato kay ready na ang kuhit. So, atong target is tulo lang guro ka buok mangga. Satisfied na taan ng tulo ka buok, no? Let's go. Napedagan sa ubos, so okay na. Happy na ko. Here's a mango. Unong kabuok, so okay na siya. Happy na ko, ana. May camera sa likod mo.
Kaya,
Lord ka na kayo?
Hello. I miss you. We have arrived here in Latan International Airport.
We're here in the Mactan Cebu International Airport. Mommy, I want Flippy.
Hello, makahangin!
Mabuhay and welcome to Philippine Airlines. We care about your safety.
But we don't care about you. Nanang Japon.
Flippy will be dead.
No. Nabilin lagi.
Flippy!
Bye. See you soon.
See you soon.
See you soon. Asan sila padung eh? Ngawat mo sila mama.
Uy, nangawat na ikag mama, uy.
So we're going home now. We're going to the parking lot. Wait.
Mami, ako pa.
Wait.
Where's the non-food?
Asa man siya? Kuya?
Aking.
Pag lumingon ka, sa kanya ka.
Pag lumingon ka, akin ka. Pag lumingon ka talaga, akin ka. Di, good siya.
Di man?
Ayan na lang, di na lang.
For resigning.
Never could.
Asa, sobrang
Good morning! It's a sunshiny day here in Cebu City! Say good morning, ma. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Ikaw, ate.
Hi.
Today, we're going to Mandawi because we're going to buy supplies for the coffee shop. After ana, uli ra po dayon. So, walang bahid ng dagom ang skies today. Traffic report, traffic sa may Lasyon Dapit, sa may Rose Pharmacy, sa may Pitogo, likay lang mo diyang dapita. Ani mo agi sa Tayud Konsolasyon. You see my problem is this, I cry watching the game. Oh baby, oh, with your heart. So luspad mandagitan no. We're going to use the lip balm / lip tint by Says Lady. Bought this from TikTok. So waiting game na lang me, kaya nag-withdraw pa si mama to buy all the things she needs today. Hello! So we're already on our last stop sa usa ka shop na paanong supply. And then after this, muulit na lang me. But I'm seeing abaga na mga clouds karon. So I think it's gonna rain. It was almost lunchtime nung gurumi ng lakaw ganina, no? So marag gutom jud. Yeah, kadi si Monique din sa likod kay wala pa bitaw siya naka-breakfast and lunch. So after this, after we pick up the last supply for our coffee shop, drive-thru na lang ni og Jollibee sa may Talamban. Gamayng hall lang ta din. Gamay na jud kayo. Mo ni siya amo ang palit karon. And the other stuff is the back seat. I like my hair today. Ganun ko sa effect niya. No? Pina-superman ba ito yung style diri karon sa akong buhok. I love it. Mahapit pa matami coffee shop karon. But since nag-apas man si mama o time for delivery, kaya dapat ma-deliver na siya mga butang by 4 p.m. Kaya dapat maabot na siya this weekend sa Negros. Sa Opadas Beach Resort man siya ang cafe na mo. So dapat maabot na siya dito this weekend. Kaya hapit na mahurot ang supply. Mga tumiyog Negros sinig 29 or 28. Depende. 3 days na and 2 nights. Kaya mag-atiman si mama sa store. And then balik na din ni. Inig one day inig May 25 birthday ni mama and ni Ate Shanti. So I don't know what's the plan. Muna siya ang padungganap this week. So let's see what will happen. Chicken fillet pod isa. Original price kay ang muhang discount kay 50. So mga mga 349 ma tanan. Okay.
Siguro na wala sa ikan ng
Yep, our drinks and our food. Puro samanta iced tea tanan, di ba? Burger ni Mami.
Ang price day ko interesado.
Jolly hot dog. Chicken fillet na kati mo. Ay, fudge. Kaya pet. Crispy kaya lang.
Level nga pabor nga.
Milkshake. Ala. Alam, tihog lang yun. Hi! May hapon mga people. We're currently here in SMJ Mall. We're trying to buy a gift for mama kay birthday na niya tomorrow. And then si Brent kay naa siya plano mo palit o watch. Okay, naabot namin diri sa department store. Kay so far, mapit namin kay bawo sa mong i-gift ni mami kay kung make-up, na siya make-up, and then kung sinina, na sinina, wa pa siya nag-express o something na ganahan niya po sa mga sinina. Kaya kung i-treat siya o mga nails or something, marag, dili po kayo kung milakaw. So, ang buhaton is, ingon si Brent, express si mami na ganahan siya o pancake maker or pancake fryer ba na siya. So, mo na siya iyahang ganahan palito ni Brent. So far mo na siya. Sa ako, cake rajud ako, ano? Cake rajud ako, love pa na jud ta. Where? Nani? Saan mo din eh? Saan naman tayo, Ani?
natin, ano?
Oo. 4 in 1 eh.
Ano yung mga plate? Kinundong ko na mo ni Giko ni Mami. Sabi to na may nasigit.
So, upat ka buok plates.
Yes, sir.
Oh, gano'n eh. Hindi na surprise. Kung mo siya itawag. Pagluto dyan daw ko ya. Joke. Lutuin dami. Di mo mutuo kung di mo lutuan.
Ato na pa initon sir.
Testing naman sa waffle maker. Tubang ta dire ben. Tubang ta dire ha. Dugay daw.
Gaya mo.
5 minutes. Pero di ko matuo kung di mo lutuan. Lutuin sa dyan daw gusto.
Na may pala pancake.
Money siya.
Green ang pancake.
Real.
Nice yan. Okay na. Nice na siya.
Baka minilubos.
Tuon na minin mo. Dagan biyak ka. Napasok na biyak ka. Mother dear. Gift ni Brent ni mo. Okay. Secured. Confirmed. Nalagay ko sa color diri. Ano mo kasi kayo makaputi. Bayad na lang si Brent ito sa waffle maker. Karo, sisuroy na lang ni. Ang pinaka-last na stop naman is cake. Kaya akuan na siyang assignment mo. Akuan na siyang obligasyon. Ang cake. So ma, ang cake, I got you. I got you cake. Pila ka book pwede try?
This one,
So yan sa dakwa ni Mocha oat milk. Thank you.
the biscuit one.
Okay. Prepare pa paano. Thank you.
Either
Okay, okay. Wow, new watch siya. Oh, wow. New watch siya.
Cash na lang yan. Dito rin po sa best friend ko makapag. Wala ka nag-birthday?
Happy birthday.
happy birthday.
Gawa sa takadiot mo.
Gawas?
Mag-defrost ako sa galing. Bebe. Saan na siya narilo?
It's a Seiko Sports GMT. Sirius SSK 036 root beer.
Nahira jud siya. Ako kay Giordano lang sa Giordano lang sa ako. Pohon maayong lawas, maabot na taan na. Magawa sa ami, no? Kay murag mag-defrost ako sa galingon kay murag sayop jud bitong nag-sleeveless ko kay murag dire, murag na frozen ako dire. Sleeveless kay ko nya tugnaw kaay nya pag human, nag-ice cream pa jud. So karang murag kinahanglan na jud ako mogawas kay kundi mamatay ko sa katugnaw diri. Hi. So, new hair, new look, new me, charing. Miss. Dingit daw, miss. Kinsa ka, miss? Uy, come here na, Yulin. Uy. Yulin, parang may nagbago sa'yo. Sinampo ko lang yan. Sinampo ko lang yan. Yulin. Lahi diyang duha kay bag og rilo, bag og buhok. Okay, so we're back here in J-Mall na. Kay, di ka na magkikuha si Yulin sa iyang salon. And karon, we're going to sushi station. Kay malibre siya po ang si Yulin. Ay, di ka, ha? Ansa? Ansa? Ha?
Apple, manggoro ka?
Apple ko?
Ako rin libre.
Okay, we're going to sushi station kay ato mi mag dinner. So it's my first time there and I don't know nila but first time na ko dito. Murag naigno bitaw ko sa ilahang train dito. So exciting. So heavy jud siya na meal no. So I don't know if kaya na ako but let's see. Mga ornament. Ala! So we are here now. I'm so excited. Order na ta. Ay, duka di ako.
Gi-advance, baby. Hindi mo mag-discourage, no? Hindi siya ganun. Lasaw man kaha, sayang. Hindi, gano'n. Lasaw man kaha na.
Oh, yeah.
May sauce.
The taste is too good.
Ano ni dua-dua? Ready.
Pero sa imong now naman siya mukukuhan.
Ano na pilde?
Wala pa siguro.
Hero loose naman.
Ganito.
Imo na gid siya mo accent sa now.
Tama siyang face track doon.
Dapat ko gid.
Here's ours!
ご注文の商品が届きました
Sayonara! Charing.
Gary?
Nanay lang order. What's that?
It's katsudon.
Okay. About yours? Same ra? Count.
Sunod si Monique.
Tonkotsu miso ramen.
Mine is coming. Bilang order na anak ko, wala pa. Sino ka to? Alright, here's my order. This is Tonkotsu Shoyu Ramen. What's this?
Yamaki.
California Maki. Stop. Okay, it's not mine. Oh my god, here's mine. Okay, kompleto na ang amuang food. Na ang shrimp. Okay naman lagi. Medyo tabang dito siya naman. Anak pong.
Loki naman siya.
Anak pong katawan.
Pinaldrin ba ba? Pinadila niya. Promise na siya sa ulo.
Ano ko po? Wow, I like this pair of glasses. Hi. Okay, so management kaon and grabe kay ko kabisag. As in, maklaro siya sa ako ang tiyan. Bundak na bundak din kay ko. Next stop unta is Red Ribbon. Sa unta man ni J-Mall o yung anong Goldilocks raman. Ta sa may way na makakita mi og Red Ribbon. Tishan. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yeah! Okay, so we're done. Manyanita with Akishanti. Padong namin sa balay. Kaya magmamayanita mi ni Mother Dearest. Kaya mo naman mi manyanita ni Shanti. So, let's go!
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Tisha!
Thank you.
Eh, sige, kuan. Ingat karon ni mo, kuan. Ano niya pa? Maklaro na ang cake. Let's go! Taruhan ninyo eh. Parang ko kayo niyo. Happy birthday to you! Birthday to you! Mahala ka niya. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yeah! Oh!
Happy birthday! Happy
Abi, nada yun. Pero mag-abli ha. Pagkikulakan siya. Yay! Free na mga plates.
Sila nagyapoy mo kaon mo eh.
Yes. Birthday girl.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Kainan na!
Oy, how about the surroundings? Oy, kay galing sa bless.
Paper plate man dahil eh. Yabon ako, hindi pa sa buwan lubot. Saan dyan? Hi everyone, good afternoon. Grabe kang dag-om. I'm talking to everyone. So grabe kang dag-om and bago lang siya ning rain. Ang agenda today or ang amuang role for today is chaperone. Kaming mother bells, which is sleeping's mommy there. Mana siya chaperone may karon ang amuang role. And mga tumiog SMC side kaya palitan ang mga bagets. So muna siya nga to ang buhaton karon maglaro-laroy lang. We're on our way napamiss Mandawi, like napamiss sa reclamation area. Hapit ang po siguro ni kay once malapas na Mr. Robinsons mo na siya ang sign na hapit na tamang labang sa bridge. Other side. Alright, we're inside SMC side na and first stop is Foot Locker. Ang ilang ipangita is sneakers or shoes. So manila ang main target karon. As a chaperone, nagsugod ang amuang kalbaryo. Kay mag-tiktoyot na may diri sa SMC side. Mao dyan ang amuang ginalikayan dyan na lugar kay grabe kadako man dyan ang seaside. No, meaning, grabe po dyan kay kagbaktas. Mao na siya ang pasabot. Laban lang dyan sa ato ang TL dire. Excited ako sa kaon. Let's, ato yung videohan. Wow!
Mostly naka-swing tag siya mga
Nice! Naigno ko kami ato ang Japanese at sushi station. Di ba mo abli man na? Ako, Okay, close kayo. Sayang, dugay mo siya mo-close. Gato, bitami og ante, waiter. Yan. Sir, alam ninyo, i-close na kay automatic na siya. Shrimp kami na. Okay, namin chicken feet, steam rice, chili, toloka, buchi, Shanghai, siomai. Hi, baby! Hi! Oh, cute! Hi! Hello! Inut kayo siya kapon me. Ikaw dyan ang star of the store. Kitay ka me. Oh, hi! Wow, asa man yung patinon og event eh. Kaya nga siya kay stricta man ni. Do not pet to the do not pet. Hi! Oh, ala ni Zup Zup. Cute, uy. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hi, everyone. Hi, everybody. My name is Ivory. Can you share the news? Tell them that I am going to...
The mall to take a picture so that I can get my ID to go to my school.
Very good. So, are you excited to go to school?
But I'm still nervous to make friends.
Why?
Because I just feel nervous.
The teacher will be nervous
What?
because you're nervous too. Because Ivory's going to have a picture for her school. Tell them, see you there, everyone.
See you there, everybody.
Okay, bye. Huh?
Hi, Bloggy.
Okay, where are we going?
We're going to my picture. Mama, remember you were just standing there? Right here where I'm pointing.
Your pretty smile, okay?
I will take my picture. What am I gonna do after I take my picture?
Yeah, very good.
Here, huh?
Cute.
One more. One.
I get another one with teeth, okay?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Smile.
Here, camera.
Cute. Because you're cute. That's why we're laughing. Oh, cute. Very good. You're so cute. Come on, you give me a peace sign. Peace. Look at me. And we're done.
You want another camera?
No. Come on. You go. You get another one. Go, go. Come on. Okay, okay. Come on, you go line up. Sus. Wow, look at Ivor's eating. You raise it. Wow. Is it yummy? Nagipalit sa baby eh.
Because last time you ate all my ice cream.
Uy, walay flavor na. Barbecue ni.
Spicy barbecue of sour and cream.
Did you just buy that?
My lip, I bite my lip. Can you kiss open?
Is it
It's better now.
cold?
Yes, it's cold. Then you do that.
Do it. I'm only.
Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye. See you in the next video.
Flying kiss.